Alright everyone, welcome to the Nova Slow Speed channel. My name is Brad, for those of you that don't know. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on my brand new Shoe RF1400 helmet. And I will also be showing you how I set up my Moto vlog camera for my first person point of view footage that I shoot. So stick around and we'll get right into the video. This is my very first premium helmet that this Sedici Strata or whatever has done pretty good for me, but this is what I've been waiting for a long time. Here's the pin lock insert, and we have some directions and other crap. Here's the helmet. Nice bag. I don't know what people typically do with these bags. Me, I just save them thinking I'm going to use them sometime for something. And I now have like 4 or 5 of them. So for this video, I'll be using it to set my helmet on. Alright guys, so I read only as much as I need to, and after doing a little bit of reading, this is extremely easy removal. Most people probably could have figured it out without the directions, but I just don't want to break my beautiful new helmet. So that's off. I'm gonna be careful not to actually, I'm going to leave this in hopes that I don't scratch the visor. And oh my god, more instructions. Alright guys, I cannot mess this up, because this, I don't know if you guys have ever used these pin lock inserts, but they are a dream, especially riding in cold weather. They will keep your visor clear. You'll never have to worry about having foggy visor or anything like that. So I'm gonna read the directions and make sure I get this installed 100% correct, because this is one of the most valuable things on the helmet in my opinion. This is the universal mount that I'm going to be using by Moto. I'll put the links in the description for this stuff. It's my trash box. Directions. Helmet care. Directions. So these are the things that come on it, which I won't be using. A lot of people just say if you're going to use them, heat them up. Get them hot first before you stick them on there, but I don't trust these things. They seem to stick pretty good. But for a $400 camera, I'm not taking that chance. This sugar stuff that I use is extremely good. And I trust that more than I trust this crap, which may be a mistake, but it's worked for me in the past, and I believe it will continue to work. So these just snap on here, and then this one I have it installed this side up. So hoping this will work well. I think I need to put it all the way down, so I'm going to install the chin curtain first and the breath guard to make sure that it's not going to interfere with any of that stuff. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm going to take this rubbing alcohol and clean off these these things, they're a little greasy from that adhesive that I peeled off of there. Actually, I'm gonna clean the helmet first because nothing's gonna come off the helmet. But if I clean the universal mount first, something may come off of the mount onto my helmet. And I do not want to jeopardize the effectiveness of the bond as I get all scientific here. So to attach this, if you guys haven't used this Shoe stuff, it's a pretty good product. I swear by it. Oh my god. I think I need probably 1, 2, 3, do 4 just to be safe. That leaves me with 4 for the top of my helmet. We'll start off with 2. And I don't think you really have to mix this stuff around, but I do just because I feel better. I also wash my hands too. Sure my hands are nice and clean, free of oil, grease, whatever. You have a lot of time to work with this stuff. So I tend to do more than I have to. I think we'll just start with, it kind of looks good. And you may want to watch some more professional people than me if you're going to do this. I kind of just tend to roll with the punches. Other people have a more scientific way of doing it. But I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. So that's probably enough for that. I don't like to take chances, man. These GoPros, $400 a pop, man. I do have the GoPro subscription, which is great because you get free camera replacement. If you're going to have GoPros, you get the GoPro subscription. It's like less than $100 a year, but with that you get unlimited cloud storage, which I love. I put my DJI, my drone footage on there. I put my 360 footage on there. Everything goes on my GoPro cloud storage. So that alone is worth the price of the GoPro subscription. But not only that, you get free camera replacement. So there's a small replacement fee, $70, $80 depending on the camera. I recently had a GoPro stop working down in Daytona at the Daytona rodeo, and when I came back I went through GoPro to have it replaced, and it wasn't extremely fast, but being that it was the GoPro Hero 7, they didn't have any replacements for it. So I got a free upgrade to the GoPro Hero 8. And not only did I get the free upgrade, they waived the $80 replacement fee. So I ended up paying nothing for a brand new GoPro Hero 8 to replace my busted GoPro Hero 7 Black. So you really can't beat that. All I do is just push this on here, and then I try to clean the edges, make sure that this isn't blocking the vent, make sure I have it centered, make sure I have it straight. I take extra from here, show it up on this side. Just try and make a clean nice clean looking surface, especially on such a beautiful helmet. It really almost pains me to do this to it. So what I'm gonna do, if you guys can see this black crap, I'm gonna go ahead and get that cleaned up and just get that stuff off of there. I'm gonna clean my hands and get rid of that stuff, just so I have the cleanest look I can have. And then I'll let this set up overnight, and then tomorrow I'll come back and I will show you guys what I'm going to do with my microphone adapter and my external microphone. So hope you guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. How about that?